Hi everybody, a brief intro to the interface here. RStudio, very nice interface, and four windows basically. We've got a lot going on here. Um, the top left would be called, I guess, the R script window. Maybe there's probably some official name for it. Here I type in my commands. For instance, I want to view a certain data set that's called MPG. So you see, actually, well, it's a script. It's sort of like a little Excel window, and I can filter. I can click on, increase or decrease and so on. Um, but it also holds my scripts, if you will. So after that, we have the console down here, and many of these things have several tabs, but this is what we typically use it for. So let's say I want to make a plot, and you might not know what on earth am I doing right now because we haven't gotten to it in detail. If I just say I want x equal to the displacement, y equals city mileage, and print something. So a few things just happened, but here, this is a record of what I've been printing, and it'll give me error messages and so on. Like, let's say I put in an extra uh, bracket. It doesn't like that. So we see why we kind of isolating the code from the console is nice, because I could type things straight into the console. But then if I forgot to erase something, it can be a bit of a pain. It can be a bit of a pain in order to try to fix it. Okay, so but here, if I just have the script, then I can fix it. We also have history now. Actually, I can sweep with the sweep button if I want a tidy console. I can erase it all. I can stop something if it's taking too long. But I can always go to the history. You might say, whoops, I swept it, but you have the history tab up here. And other than that, maybe I have also a big picture view of what's going on, all the things I'm working on. So this is basically all the data I have. Maybe a few key shortcuts, importing data and so on. But here I've got different pieces of different work I'm sort of doing at the same time. This shows up here. Lastly is, we have different things, sort of my file folder and so on. But we notice that as soon as I go to plot something, which is what we'll be doing a lot of, it'll pop up in the bottom right-hand side here. We can export it, copy to clipboard, change the size, either by punching it in or by doing this kind of thing, and simply copying the plot. And now I can pop it into Word. So that's it. In a way, when I go to run, I can press the run button, or as you can see here by this little pop-up, that I can also press Control plus Enter. And that's it. That is the intro to the RStudio interface.